Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at a few condominiums that are either right on the beach or right close to the beach. First one you see is the Nam Saleh condominium and the Seven Seas. This is the Seven Seas. We're out in Jomtien. We're going to show you how quickly we can actually walk to the beach, even if you don't stay right on the beach row, which is on the left side. This is beach row. This is across the street, of course. Seven Seas. You can actually get a room in one of these, probably well, as low as 10, 11,000 for a studio, and 13 for a one bedroom. So that's, as you can see, we have a laundromat over here. Massage. Optimal property sales. As you can see, we're approaching the Riviera Monaco, which is one of the premier, better condominiums. There's a whole line of them, different Rivieras in different places. This just happens to be the Riviera Monaco. And there's a Riviera Jomtien, Wongamat, and there's a Malibu coming soon as well. Very nice property. Starting price there is probably $13,000. That's just for a studio. Got your Rocco's coffee, good coffee. And you have your Le Royal Beach building as well. This condominium starts around 20,000 baht per month, depending on the season, of course, but they actually have larger rooms. This property has pretty good beach access, definitely better than the Riviera Monaco. Up ahead, you have a scooter and car rental place, and they actually have some pretty nice scooters. Some of these cars are rentals. Of course, you have your 7-Eleven up ahead. You have vendors that come on this road as well. There's some vendor here. You get more. You'll get more vendors that come around later on. And we're actually going to cut through this Varan property to go to the beach. Now they may try to stop me from filming up here, but we'll see. They do have signs posted, at least by the pool area. But I'm not cutting all the way through their property, but They have a pretty nice beachfront property here. So this video is more or less for if you don't have the easy beach access properties. Like the Riviera is not an easy access to the beach. The Veranda Resort in Pattaya, Jomtien has great beach access with prices ranging from 4,000 to 20,000 Thai baht per night, with every type of room that you can really think of. You have rooms from studios up to 3 bedrooms, up to sky pool villas, with sizes ranging from 38 square meters to 136 square meters. The resort features a nice contemporary design with Thai charm, and also they have a tropical garden and stunning views of the Gulf of Thailand that create that luxurious atmosphere that you look for when you're on vacation. As for dining, the resort has a restaurant and bar where guests can enjoy delicious cuisine and refreshing drinks while taking in the stunning ocean views. The resort offers 145 rooms, each designed with ocean-inspired hues and textures. Okay, no one stopped me for filming, so that's a good thing. They offer a whole range of amenities, including a beachfront location, an infinity pool, a fitness center, a spa, and a kids club. It's a little bit of the Veranda property. This right here is a decent way to walk to the beach. You also have other routes you can take. Just go past 7-Eleven, and right across the street from 7-Eleven there is a Tops. Just walk to the side of the Tops and you'll pass by a bunch of really nice houses. It's probably Airbnb'd. Cutting in over here by the beach lawn, Scoop ice cream. So they have an ice cream shop over here, and you see the restrooms as well. They have an ice cream shop over here, along with food actually. So you see all of these food-looking stations. Actually, the ice cream shop operates all of them. So Scoop ice cream, so it's Scoop Beach Cafe. And they have a nice little seating area. People getting ice cream over here. And they actually have air-conditioned seating over here as well. And so you can sit on the first or second floor, or you can be in the nice heated seating as well up there. You just cross over. And as you can see, we are on the beach. Nice quick walk. You can see some of the other islands over here. But it's a nice, beautiful day. And basically that's how quickly you can actually get to the beach. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. please like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, you don't always have to be directly on the beach to enjoy a nice beachfront or close by the beachfront property. Hey, you get what you pay for. Sometimes you don't want to pay for it. So hey, you can just walk to the beach and enjoy life just like those who did pay for it. Thanks for rocking with us.